Hey guys, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner Convertible. This car is finished in black with that red and white interior. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got a 312 Thunderbird motor in it with 2 4s. It's 3-speed on the column with factory overdrive. Very rare. It's got a power top on this car. It's got power steering and power disc brakes, and we're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Or on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on all the vehicles that we have for sale. And we're going to take a look at this 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner Convertible. Like I said, this car is finished in beautiful black with that red and white interior. It's absolutely gorgeous. This car here is a first prize winner in 1986 on the Antique Automobile Club of America. Pretty awesome right there. It's got the little plaque to commemorate it, and it was the first prize winner, and it just don't get much sweeter than this right here. This is a car you can get in and it runs and drives phenomenally, and just like a limousine, when you take it out on the road, just does absolutely great. But the interior is all in great condition. Really nice and clean. Really looks good. All that black looks great. Very nice and clean. Back seat looks good. Very nice and clean. Let me grab the key here. Oh, it's on the other side. Let me see if I can reach it. Gotta get the key so I can open up the back here. Shut the door. We'll get the back opened up here. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but we'll see what we can do. There we go. Inside the trunk, it's got the original style spare tire, and very nice and clean inside the trunk. Really looks good. Trunk lid is nice and clean. The paint on this car is not perfect. I believe, to the best of my knowledge, that this may be the original paint job to the car. Don't know that for sure, but it looks like it. But it does look good. It does have LED tail lights in it. But we're going to start it up and see how it sounds. It does have the exhaust that goes through the bumper there. All that chrome looks good. Nice and clean on the paint. I think the seat may be scooted up here. Let me see. Yeah, let's go back just a little bit. We got a butterfly. So we got us a butterfly on there. But yeah, it really looks good. I'm gonna cut it off here. But all the interior's in nice shape. Really looks good. Dash all looks good. Just very nice and clean. So, shut the door here. We're going to take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood, it's powered by a 312 with 2 4s. It does have power steering and power disc brakes. All nice and clean underneath the hood. Really nice. Doesn't get much nicer than this right here. And just looks good. Sounds good. Just a nice car. So, like I said, it does have a power top as well. We're going to shut the hood, and we'll take one more quick look at the 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner Convertible. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this car for a test drive and see how it does. We're going to take this 1956 Ford Fairlane Sunliner Convertible for a test drive. I feel like we're in the 50s in this car here, but it's really a nice car. We're going to take it out for a drive and see how it does. That black with this red interior really pops. Looks good and even sounds good with that 312 with them 2 4s on it. And we're going to take it for a ride and see how it does. Turn signals are working.
Great power disc brakes on this car.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
And like I said, it does have the 3-speed on the column with the factory overdrive. Right there, you push that overdrive in, and it gives you the overdrive once you're in 3rd gear. So, but we're going to take it out and see how it does. Really just runs and drives phenomenally. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent run and driving car. It is really, really nice. Car you can get in and cruise. The only thing you'll have to do with this car is get a big shelf for all the trophies that you'll win at the car show. So,
Nobody else gonna have another one like this one?
no, not like this one. But we're gonna turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'll have Dad get on it just a little bit and we'll see what this car's made of. I could ride in this car forever.
Steering on this car.
Yes, it does. And power disc brakes as well. So, with that chrome booster underneath the hood, it really pops and looks good. But we are almost ready here. We're going to take it out, see how it does. Does good. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent run and driving car. We're almost back here. And like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available. We're almost back here and we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath. And here's that underneath video right now.